welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.
Okay, what we're looking at is an Admiral. This is a gas dryer. The problem is it's not heating. So what we're going to do is we're going to go around the back, take the back panel off, start making some tests on the thermostats. The reason I'm doing the tests from the back is that what's going on is when I had it plugged in and I turned it on, when you start it and it's going to have heat, you should hear a click of the valve, and I didn't hear that click. So what that tells me is that the valve is not getting power, so that's why I'm going directly to the back to find out what's going on with the no heat. Yeah, the tools you'll need for this job is a drill with a 1/4-inch bit, 1/4-inch nut driver, a regular screwdriver, and a voltometer. Okay, we're going to remove the 8 screws to take the back panel. So we'll have access to the thermostats. Okay, what I'm going to do right here is the high limit thermostat. What I'm going to do is isolate the thermostat by taking one of the wires off. And then what I can do is I can test through both of these just with one test. And they are good, but you can do it individually as well. Both of them check out good. Okay, again, I'm going to remove one of the wires to isolate the circuit. And what I'm finding is that basically it has a bad thermal fuse. Now anytime that you replace this thermal fuse, it is always recommended that you replace the thermostat, because usually the thermostat is what causes the thermal fuse to go bad in the first place. If you do not change the thermostat, you will be back to replacing that thermal fuse, so you always want to make sure you replace them as a pair. Okay, to remove these two, you take a 1/4-inch screw out of both of them, and then you can remove them, and then you install the new one same way you take the old one out. This one, that tip will go into the housing, and then it's secured so it only uses one screw. And then you just take the wires, transfer them to the new part. Just like that, and then you can put the back panel back on and check to see if you have heat. Okay, now we're going to put the back panel back on. Okay, the repair is complete. You can push the dryer back into place and we'll give it a try. Okay, now that we're all finished, we're going to check it out to see if we hear the click. And that's the click I was looking for.
Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.